Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make informed decisions about the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Poolmate 571833-4 Sandstone Oval Winter Pool Cover, and if you're looking for the best 18 by 33 pool cover, this is the one you need to consider. Let's dive into the features that make this cover stand out. The Poolmate Sandstone Winter Pool Cover is designed specifically for above-ground pools, providing a solid, durable solution to keep your pool safe and clean during the winter months. The cover measures 18 by 33 feet, with an additional 4-foot overlap, giving you a total cover size of 22 by 37 feet. This overlap ensures the cover fits snugly over your pool, making installation easier and more secure. What sets this pool cover apart is its extra heavy-duty polyethylene construction. At 3.26 ounces per square yard, this material is tough enough to withstand the harsh elements of winter. It also features a 12 by 12 scrim weave, which adds strength and durability to the cover. The seams are heat-sealed to prevent leaks, ensuring that your pool stays protected from debris and water damage. Another fantastic feature is the included winch and cable, which help you secure the cover tightly to the pool's grommets. This ensures that the cover won't shift or come loose, no matter the weather conditions. Whether it's snow, ice, or heavy rain, you can rely on this cover to stay in place and protect your pool. If you're worried about durability, the Poolmate Winter Pool Cover comes with a 15-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that it will last season after season. Plus, while it's designed to float loosely on the water, it's ideal for pools with larger top rails. Keep in mind that the ice equalizer pillow is sold separately, but it's a great addition if you want to prevent any water accumulation on the cover during the winter. The overall design of this cover ensures that no water passes through, keeping your pool protected from dirt, debris, and the elements. Whether you're a first-time pool owner or looking for an upgrade, the Poolmate 571833-4 Sandstone Oval Winter Pool Cover is a top choice to keep your pool safe through the cold months. So if you're in the market for a reliable, durable pool cover, make sure to check out the Poolmate Sandstone Oval Winter Pool Cover for your 18 by 33 foot pool. It's the best investment you can make to ensure your pool stays in excellent condition for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of top products. Stay tuned for our next video.